Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 48, 64 and 72. For finding the HCF, we will be using the prime factorization method, and in this method first we will find the factors of 48, 64 and 72 separately, and then we will find the common factor to find the HCF. So let's divide 48 first. 48 is an even number. It is easily divisible by first prime number 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we will divide 64. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So 64 is also fully divided. Let's divide 72. It is also even, so we can divide by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can use 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Now 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is an odd number. It is divisible by number 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. Now all the numbers are fully divided. Let us write the factors of these numbers to find the HCF. So first we'll write the factors of 48. 48 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now we'll write the factors of 64. Factors of 64 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And next we are going to write the factors of 72, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. To find the HCF of the three numbers, we are going to find the common factors in between the three numbers. So let us mark the common factors. The common factor is number 2 here, because number 2 is there on all the numbers. Again, there's a one more 2 common to all the three numbers. And there is one more 2 common to all the three numbers. Now there are no other factors which are common to the three numbers. So the HCF will be the product of all the common factors. For the three numbers, we are going to take the common factor only once. So that's going to be 2 for all three 2's here. Again, product of 2 for all 2's here. And again, we are going to multiply one more 2 for all 2's here. So now the HCF is 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. So the HCF of the three numbers 48, 64 and 72 is 8. This is how we find the HCF of the three numbers. So let's take a recap of the method. For finding the HCF of the three numbers, first we will find the factors of all the numbers by separately dividing the numbers by prime numbers. After finding the factors, we are going to write the factors like so, and we'll find the common factor in between the three numbers. For finding the HCF, we are going to take the product of all the common factors, writing it only once. So this is how we find the HCF of three numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.